Is your home's air quality suffering because of hidden carpet stains and trapped odors? If you want a truly comfortable indoor climate, you need to tackle the mess at the source. Introducing the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner Machine. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a powerhouse for your home comfort. First, the incredibly powerful suction means you are pulling out deep-seated allergens and trapped dust from your carpets and upholstery, instantly improving your indoor air quality. Second, it comes with versatile tools that let you reach those tight spots near vents and registers where debris restricts airflow. Finally, when you pair it with the Dirt Devil Portable Cleaner solution, you're neutralizing odors that make your home feel stuffy and stagnant. Don't let dirty carpets ruin your HVAC efficiency. This machine is compact, high energy, and a total must-have for every homeowner who wants a fresh, breathable environment year-round. Grab yours right now at the link in the description. Your home deserves to feel this clean. Let's get to work.